Hey guys, it's Eric Green, Tax Rep Network. I've been asked a lot about the PTIN renewal requirements, right? This is critical for anyone who does return preparation, files returns. I have a PTIN, even though I don't do returns, for the very reason that I do file documents with the IRS. So, in order to renew your PTIN, you have to complete Form W-12. You have to verify your identity, that it's you doing it. You have to be current with your taxes. And by the way, if you owe taxes to the IRS, that's okay. You just have to be dealing with it. Submitted for an offer, submitted for an installment agreement, or if you've been deemed uncollectible in the last 12 months, that will suffice. You have to confirm that you are following all of the ethical standards. And critically, you have to confirm that you are aware that you are expected to have a WISP, a written information system plan. So that is your data security, all of that stuff. It's one of the reasons I'm so hype on Liscio in terms of, most cyber attacks start through email. With Liscio, we got that locked down. All right. The critical thing about this is you are checking the box that you're aware of this. If you later have a data breach and they find that you don't have a WISP in place, a written, security plan, that you have not put these basic things in place, a firewall, you're using Liscio for encrypted email and text, all of that, they're going to use that against you in terms of preparer penalties and FTC penalties, aside from the damage to your practice from a data breach. So the downside here is huge. All right. And I really discovered this when I had a client go through this, a CPA, and it was brought up by the examiner after the data breach that you would check the box when you renewed your PTIN. So you obviously knew you had to have a WISP. You checked the box. Where is it? And we ended up with a real problem and some significant penalties. All right. So let's avoid all that. Let's take the basic steps. Of course, renew your PTIN, get the WISP in place, put your, use Liscio, encrypt your email, make sure all of that stuff is locked down. This is a hard enough job without having that stuff in place. Just put it in place. You can sleep better at night. And if the worst does happen, at least now you don't also face government sanctions and penalties.